Still using a stethoscope that makes you guess? IOSync 2 Plus amplifies lung sounds up to 60 times with real-time visualization. Use lung-specific filters. Replay difficult sounds and even share recordings instantly. Better sounds, smarter diagnosis. Get IOSync 2 Plus today.